Many Tibetans live in an area south of Wuho Temple, in an area called Tibetan Quarters, or sometimes referred to as Little Lhasa. This area is filled with Tibetan culture, and I would definitely recommend visiting it when in Chengdu. The Tibetan Quarters are vibrant with shops, food, and monks walking the streets in their robes. The restaurants serve traditional Tibetan food made from their domestic yak. Some of the area may seem it is for tourists, but most of the people shopping and eating are locals. The best place to start is in front of Wuho Temple, and from there just head south to the Tibetan Quarters. You can spend most of the morning or afternoon exploring the area. One of my favorite things to do in Chengdu was to walk the streets with the people I met in my hostel. They showed me so many local restaurants, parks, and places that I would never find by myself. During our walk in the park, we came across a group of people dancing. To our surprise, they invited us and made us dance with them. Chengdu is one of my favorite cities in the world, with some of the best food I have ever eaten and some of the most friendly people I have ever met.